In the past, launching a real application required a full team, months of work, and a budget that could exhaust any startup founder. Today, a single click might be enough to begin. What if I told you that you can move from a passing idea in your mind to a launch-ready digital product in less than an hour? Welcome to a new era. Welcome to Enter.pro, the intelligent development agent for the age of vibe coding. Here, you don't need to dive into complex programming. You don't need to chase APIs. You don't even need to be a prompt writing expert. All you need is to press enter. Enter.pro is not just a tool that writes code for you. It is a fully integrated digital architect that thinks ahead of you, builds with you, and brings your product to life. The journey begins with plan mode. Instead of standing confused in front of an unclear idea, Enter transforms your simple intent into a professional system architecture, database, application logic, everything built with expert methodology. The principle here is simple, yet revolutionary. Architecture first, then code. And when it's time to build, the unified engine steps onto the stage. One platform, one subscription. Direct access to the world's most powerful AI models. No more jumping between tools. No API key chaos. No stacked subscriptions. With Enter, you build once and your application keeps running on integrated infrastructure. But the real power appears here, with the custom agent builder. Pause for a moment and think. How many SaaS services are you paying for monthly? Each one of them, a rented employee. Enter.pro changes the rules of the game. Instead of renting software, you own the intelligent agent itself. You build your own digital army, working 24 hours a day, designed specifically for your business logic. This isn't just productivity improvement. This is full software sovereignty. And the best part? The result is not a fragile prototype, but real production-ready applications, deployable, scalable, and connected to real payment systems and databases. From one sentence to a product that generates real value. From vibe to value. Imagine the following scenario. A morning idea. Smart planning via plan mode. A complete building through Vibe Engine. Then, one publish click. Your website is live, and your app has started working. All of that before the 60-minute timer runs out. In a rapidly changing digital world, the question is no longer, how do you build, but what will you end up with? Enter.pro delivers a clear and powerful result, moving from an idea in your mind to a digital product ready to launch. The first result the user experiences is the ability to generate professional applications and websites. Not just prototypes, but publishable pages and structures ready for real work. As you take in this seamless, meticulously crafted interface, remember that behind every icon and every visual element stands a sophisticated artificial intelligence, purpose-built to understand your creative language and align with your unique vision. The true power of a platform like Enter.pro lies not only in the technology that drives it, but in the silent details operating behind the scenes. The details that make your work appear polished and professional without requiring any noticeable effort on your part. We have redefined the concept of ease of use from the ground up. Enter.pro's intelligent interface doesn't merely respond to your commands. It anticipates your next move with remarkable precision. It eliminates hundreds of hours of repetitive manual work and routine tasks, giving you the freedom to focus on what truly matters, your creativity and your vision. You no longer need to be a technical expert to produce outstanding results. No more technical complexities disrupting your workflow, and no more starting from scratch in ways that drain your time and energy. Here, within the Enterpro environment, every tool is intuitively placed exactly where it belongs, and every click brings you one step closer to your final product. One that carries cinematic quality standards and a level of excellence that sets your work apart without competition. What used to require a full team and months of work can now be done in a much shorter time. Enterpro doesn't offer complicated tools. And more than that, you're not just building a product, you're building your digital future with confidence. Because every tool in Enterpro is designed to make you feel as if a technical expert is sitting right beside you, guiding your steps and handling the complex details. So you can stay focused on your vision and your goal, but delivers professional-level results, even for those without deep technical expertise. In short, the platform doesn't sell you the process, it delivers the result. Ready digital products, high-quality marketing images, and a faster launch to market. Enterpro, where ideas turn into real results. If you are a content creator, a startup founder, or even someone with an idea waiting for its chance, this is your moment. Stop chasing tools. Stop overcomplicating the build. Stop delaying the launch. Start shipping. Start building. Start now. Just press enter. Ship like a pro. Register today via the exclusive link and get 500 free credits to launch. And if you want to always stay ahead, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because the next idea that could change your future could also start with just one press of enter.